Hello, this is Uplifting Post Tower. Welcome to the Scandic Hotel in Skellefteå. And this hotel used to be pretty open to visitors. But disappointingly, the elevators have been modernized. They now lost their very iconic button panel. And as well as that, these elevators are now restricted. If you want to call them at the lobby floor, you do need a keycard to do that. And now to the service elevator of this hotel. And unlike the main elevators, this one is still original and features M-series buttons. However, it is now locked off since the other elevators have been modernized. And now the last elevator that also belongs to this hotel is the single Diva elevator at the conference area. This one also got a keycard reader and all of its floors are locked off. And by the time I rode this elevator, I did not notice the keycard that was actually put right into the elevator. I could have used this to unlock the floors, but I didn't recognize it. So I got called from the outside. And now, before we finish off this video, I got to tell you that the building is bigger than what the hotel is, so there are more elevators to find here, but they will be uploaded as separate videos.